Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you would like to create an account on Steam, today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. Open your browser, type in Steam Sign Up. You will see create your account by Steam itself. So go ahead, click onto that link. And once it is so, you will see an interface like this. Now, if you already have an account, go ahead, select login here. If not, you will see create an account, type in your email address, confirm your email address, select your country of residence, check this box, select that you are at least 13 years of age, and select continue. Now, as you do that, it will check the email address that you have entered. You will also receive an email, and you will have to verify from your phone or anywhere where your email is logged in. So go ahead, select verify your email address. As you do that, you will be able to see a page like this. In here, you will have to create a Steam account name. Let's give it a name, Caesar. Once you do so, choose your password, confirm your password, and then select done. And once you have done all that, you will see that you have just created yourself an account, and you will see a username at the top right-hand side. Just like so, guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.